Well, hello internets and my 24 subscribers. Looks like we're doing board repair now. Yeah. Well, this channel is not gonna turn into a board repair channel. I'm just here because my voice has told me so. So yeah, took the board apart. Um, I've actually got my multimeter here, and this is the most professional setup I can have for you guys because, yeah, as I said, I'm not doing board repair for a living. I know I can put this on the screen and I can have OBS and whatever. So the case is there. This is the board, and again we have a good bad news scenario. Uh, the good news is, where are my glasses? It's that it has a short, and the bad news is that it has a short, but it has some kind of a good short. Let me see what I can do here. Right. So this is ground, and this should be input, and the input is open, but this is shorted, like really shorted. Like 1 ohm shorted, and you can see this. If I can go on every capacitor on the board in this area, I will get a short. Right, so a beautiful 1.2 ohms short. So yeah, before taking this out, I did what every computer technician would do, like plug out all the things, restart it, take the battery out, reset the BIOS, take the battery out, short the battery connector, drain the capacitor. Whoa there, my friend. Okay, and we are now at this stage where we have this little IC here, and I'm gonna take a picture of the IC and do a reverse Google search, and that will bring us to the datasheet. I got actually another PC, and hopefully I can edit this. So we have a short, a beautiful short here. So this short is like going all over this side of the board. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I have some inductors here, and they're all shorted. Right, so inductors should be in series. I don't know if these are the inductors of the, well, no, actually no, these are on the CPU. Let me just kill the beep there because we can see the short. So this is not shorted because this is what the CPU should be. Well, that's a good news. And this capacitor is not shorted. Oh, this one is, but this side isn't. Oh yes, it is. So this cap is toast, and most probably this IC is toast too. Yeah, it is. So I don't think the main chip here is the problem. There might be one along the way, and since this is a short, we can exclude the resistors. So there may be a capacitor or an IC or a diode or whatever it is shorted here. Yeah, that's about it from me. Shorted as a motherfucker. So now, with all the experience I have, I've tested what is this? The power supply adapter thingy of Lenovo, and this has a weird 1 kilo ohm here on the sense pin, and I'll just have to cut this up and put it on my bench power supply if I want to see basically what's going on with the board. If we plug it in, I don't know if this is plugged in, bear with me. So Um, this is now plugged in. Let's check the voltage on this. Now this has voltages on the side here, and we have 20.5 volts. So this is okay. And as I said, the sense pin there has like a resistor value which tells the computer what type of power the adapter has. So if I'm gonna chop this up and hook it to the power supply, I'm gonna have to add the resistor. Let's see if we have 20 volts on the start here. Well, we should. This is the input, it's not like, shorted. So if you go on the input of this piece right here, yeah, we have 20 volts. We had 20 volts. Why don't we have 20 volts? Okay. So this is working. This is not. This IC also has a sense pin, which should tell you if the IC is okay, if it has a good running state. I don't think I'm gonna be able to test that, and nothing gets hot. So what are the next steps? I don't know. Get a thermal camera, try to heat something up, get the part number for this bad boy here, and yeah, probe around a little and see if I don't know, something comes up. Well, other than that, I'll just end the video here, and hopefully I can edit something out of it. And so I've taken the CPU apart, and I'm not really keen on working without the CPU because it has this sucky socket, which has pins inside, and it's just begging, to drop a screwdriver over it. The good part is that this PQ something, PQ20, this is actually a MOSFET, and it's only shorted on a side, so this is good, but something else is not. I'm not really sure if it's shorted on the drain, but I think it's shorted on the drain, so I have to turn it the board back around. All these inductors now do not exhibit a short because I've taken the CPU out. Those were shorted through the CPU. Yeah, that being said, still poking around. I think I'm gonna do a visual inspection and see, maybe I get lucky and see some burned parts here. I'll use the phone as a microscope, and this might just be, an incentive to get a microscope. If anyone has any idea or suggestion, yeah, you're welcome to hit me up. That's it. Bye bye.